So hey guys, the OnePlus 11 has finally been launched in China and it will be released in the global market on February 7th, 2023. Now following the steps of his sibling, the OnePlus 11R is also on its way. Yes, the OnePlus 11R live images have surfaced online, exposing the triple camera system on the back and the return of the alert slider. According to the latest images, the OnePlus 11R screen will spot a curved display panel, a single punch hole in the center and an IR blaster, making it the company's first R series device to have IR blaster. When we recall, the OnePlus Ace was the 10R on the global market and many people, including me, were unhappy with the device and its design. So it appears that the OnePlus 11R will follow the design language of the OnePlus 11 or 10. We can't tell from the images because the phone is covered in a pre-production casing. Nevertheless, it is clear from the camera configuration which is extremely identical to the OnePlus 11. Not only that, but the phone has some surprising specifications. According to the source, the smartphone will include a 6.7 inches AMOLED display with 1220p resolution, a 50 megapixel main camera with Sony IMX890 sensor and OIS behind the main shooter, and as I previously said, an IR blaster. The OnePlus 9R received a Snapdragon 870 as its SoC, whereas the OnePlus 10R switched to MediaTek with its Dimensity 8100 Max. However, the OnePlus 11R is rumored to come with an underclocked variant of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Finally, the smartphone appears to include an alert slider and it is claimed to have the same improvements changing specifications as the OnePlus 11. If all of these R variant rumors are correct, the resulting up-tier smartphone might be released in the worldwide market in early to mid 2023. In terms of pricing, the OnePlus 11R will replace the OnePlus 10T with a price increase of $36 to $60. This indicates the phone will cost between $581 to $629. OnePlus looks to be possibly moving away from the affordable flagship segment. So what do you think about this OnePlus 11R? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.